Speaking of Apple, how's this for a concept phone? Now, first of all, this is absolutely never going to happen. It looks to have drawn some inspiration from that Xiaomi device, which had the screen on the back. And this one looks like it has an even bigger screen. You can see, first of all, they're calling it the iPhone 14. It has 4 camera modules, a screen to the right of the camera section, and then a screen below that. Or is it one seamless screen? Either way, the top portion there is looking like it's telling you your battery capacity of your connected devices to the phone, so you can quickly glance at the phone's battery, the watch battery if you have it, and headphone battery. This video is kind of nicely put together. Very realistic renders.
Yeah.
With the
shout out Yanko. They do a lot of.
But
design.
is it Yanko that did this though, or did they just embed it and post it?
Oh, maybe they just presented it.
Yeah, the concept is from the mind of Max Burgos.
Oh, Concepts iPhone
is the YouTube channel. Anyway, yeah, so Yanko's always bringing these type of stories, though. So
okay.
Shout out to them anyway. It's not a thing. This is like one of those fun dreaming things. Like, oh, imagine if they did this. But I do like the render quality on that, man. That's pretty wild. Way to put that together. And the screen on the back does have some utility for taking photos with the better camera, but there's no way Apple's not doing it. I'm just going to tell you right now. By the way, did that Xiaomi device ever show up here with the screen on the back?
Yes.
It is here. I got to check that out. I got to check that out. So, yeah, while this may never happen, well, never say never, because Cyberpunk and Blade Runner, I mean, look what the stuff that's supposed to happen. Never say never. Cars are supposed to fly at some point.
Yeah, hopefully soon. It comes in purple. So that's nice.
Yeah. I don't know about the placement of the Apple logo there. Seems a little off.
Yeah, you're right.
But where do you put it? Maybe you get rid of it like the iMac. You just say, you know what? Can't fit that one in there. How about that for a wild render? Oh,